Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Gen 4 against the Makita 40V XGT. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTubers their platform, by subscribing, likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, yes guys, we do have an 18 volt against the 40 volt. Sometimes these 18 volts will beat 40 volts, sometimes they won't. This test is, do not try this at home. This is just for fun, for entertainment, for fun science, you can call it. 40 volt lithium ion battery. This is a 40 volt 2 XGT, 40 volt 2.5. Much bigger battery than a regular 2.5 because it is a 40 volts. This was a 90 watt hours, 36 volt to 40 volts, BL4025. Now XGT, you do got 4 different connectors there. Quick release and lock, and then you got a few gates there. Same thing when this one should be full. Yep, full battery on the Milwaukee. This one, it is a 6 amp hour battery. It is a much bigger battery on its size. These are 21700 cells. These are one of the best batteries to pair these tools with. 108 watt hours. 5-prong connector there. You do have a quick lock here on, but you do have to press both sides. And 4-prong connector there. And 5-prong connector there. Alright, so this one does have a nice LED light. Same with this one. This one does have a tri-LED. This one's a little bit wider. This one's a little bit bluer, as you guys do see. But they're equally as bright. You do got some nice rubber stops here. A lot of ventilation. Yep, lots of air movement here. Same thing with this one. Lots of air movement. Very similar in size, guys. Very similar in size. 4-speed. Plus you got screw mode, and then you got tapping 1, 2, and tapping 3. Automatic mode, like automatic backup mode. This one does have a really smooth trigger. We'll switch it to number 4. A rubber ring here by the collet. I believe this is a quick insert collet. Let's check this out. Yep, quick insert collet. We have GDT01, 36 volt, 40 volt max, 0 to 1100 or 0 to 2100, 3200 or 0 to 3700. Impacts per minute, 0 to 1100, 0 to 2600, 0 to 3600, 0 to 4400 per minute. This is made in China by Makita Corporation in Japan. This is made in Vietnam, 2953-20. This is the Gen 4, remember guys. We got 0 to 4400 IPM or 0 to 3900 RPM. This one does have a 3-mode selector, plus you got a screw mode to the left there, so you guys select nice rubber. 4.74 body only. We got 4.1, 4.47 body only, 3.88. That is at the widest point is on the back. We got 2.5, 2.3. We got 1.3, and then dropping to 1.2, 1.3, dropping to 1.1. So even thinner. Sideways like this, we got 1.8, 1.6, 1.7. 1.5. This is even thinner than that one. We got tool with the 6 amp hour battery, 4 pounds, 10.3 ounces. Tool only. We got 2 pounds, 4.0 ounces. We got tool with battery. We got 3 pounds, 12.2 ounces. We got 2 pounds, 3.1 ounces. We're gonna start with some simple drilling, and then we're gonna move on to the harder stuff. 3.5 inch screw, deck screw. 1, 2, 3, go. And we are on speed 4, by the way. Take it off. 1, 2, 3, go. .3/8 drill bit. Hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got a 7/8 spade bit. Hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. 40 volt XGT. Then be driving this lag screw in. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, let's take this off. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, you guys did see the test. Let us know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this test? What do you guys think about each tool? Do you own any of these tools? Would you want to own any of these tools? If you have Makita 18 volt or 40 volts, let us know that in the comment section. Yes guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make part to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform. My subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.